In this Cranfield University Quick Byte video, we provide an introduction to the software portal where you can download software to your Cranfield device. From a new Windows 10 computer or laptop, click the Windows Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Software Portal tile displayed on the right of the menu. Your web browser will open on the Applications page of the software portal. Prior to downloading software, we recommend you enable the notification options in your user profile. Click the drop-down menu icon located top right of the software portal, then click your name. Enable all three notification options to be notified when your installations are complete and when changes to software requests have been made. All software which you have access to will be displayed alphabetically on large clickable buttons, which include the software logo and the year or version number of the software, making it easier to ensure you are downloading the exact version you require. To save time scrolling through all the software, use the search field at the top of the Applications page. Type the name of the software or a keyword and all available software will be displayed. To clear the search results, remove the text you typed in the search field and press Enter on your keyboard or click the Reset link. A filter tool is also provided to help you find software by category and type. For example, you can filter for programming, CAD, simulation, data analysis software, etc. Each software button has two parts. The lower part is the download or submit request link. The top part, the logo, when clicked, will display details of the installation, including details of any additional software which may be installed as part of the download. Click the Request Application button to download the software, or click Close to return to the Applications page. Clicking the Submit Request link on the large software button starts the download process immediately, although due to the size of some applications, it may take a while to completely download prior to beginning installation. Click OK to confirm, or Close to return to the Applications page. To see a list of the software you have downloaded via the software portal, click My Requests. For further information or assistance using the software portal, please contact us. For more IT Quick Bytes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.